Yeah, okay. Reena Gupta of the Aam Aadmi Party, the point that was made by the BJP leader is that parties like the Aam Aadmi Party in April and May, particularly in the month of April, said, look, the government can't do enough, let us handle it. There is reason to believe that you all thought you could handle the entire process. That didn't happen. We went into 18 to 44 age group without having enough vaccinations. May was a disaster. Now in June, there are some signs of things improving. Your response?
Rajdeep, first of all, I want to correct you. Never did we say that you allow us to procure ourselves. What we said was you allow our greater freedom in distribution.
Freedom. Yes, greater freedom
yes, we
in
said
distribution.
Greater freedom in distribution.
And you also attempted tenders. You also attempted tenders that didn't work.
That was only when the government of India said that we will not give you and you go ahead and procure it yourself. Everybody knew that was going to be a joke. Who's going to honor procurement from state governments? No international agency would honor state government procurement. We knew that was a waste of time, but because the government of India said that they're not going to do it, we tried to do it ourselves, and we knew it was going to fail. Having said that, Rajdeep, today was a great event management exercise, and as we all know very well, Mr. Modi is a great event manager, and that's exactly what they did today. We woke up in the morning to see full-page advertisements from state governments, BJP-ruled state governments of Uttarakhand, Karnataka, thanking Modi ji for the free vaccination, the greatest free vaccination drive.
It's interesting, Reena, that all the top 5 states today which vaccinated are all BJP states. So clearly the BJP was ready for making 21st of June a big day.
Big event, yes.
You may call it an event. You may call it an event. The BJP says it's momentum.
I hope this momentum continues for the sake of the country, for the sake of all of us. But Rajdeep, I will give you figures from Delhi. As far as Delhi is concerned, we got 15 lakh vaccines in the month of June. And we have been told that even in July, we are going to get 15 lakh vaccines. So what has changed for us? Where is the big vaccination drive? Nothing has changed for us. In Delhi, we have created the infrastructure where we can vaccinate more than 3 lakh people a day. And we have been saying that Delhi needs 2.3 crore doses to vaccinate the whole state of Delhi. But we are getting only 15 lakhs. And next month also, we have been told that we are only going to get 15 lakhs. So what has changed? I mean, where is the supply?
You're saying this is a one-day match. You're saying this is a one-day choreographed event. It's a one-day choreographed event. Yeah, complete it quickly.
Absolutely. Let me complete. No, if you remember, Rajdeep, there was a grand press conference on 13th of May where we were told that we are going to get 200 crores vaccine. That day and today, it's 21st of June. What has changed? Has there been a single new vaccine which has been approved in the country? No. Have the PSUs started manufacturing under compulsory licensing? No. Even the Supreme Court did not trust any of the figures given by Government of India. The way they throw out these numbers, it's as if they're ordering sabun and tel and tomorrow the vaccines are going to be here. So the Supreme Court, they were humiliated in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court said, show us the contracts, show us the supply chain. They do not have any contracts, any supply chain. The only way out would have been to increase the indigenous manufacturing by involving more and more PSUs, and they haven't moved at all. So it's one event management after another.
So you're saying, you made the point, you're saying that this was an event management day for the Modi government, that they cannot